All right, today is January 12th, Tuesday, and this video is if you missed Zoom class on January 12th, what to do, what to recap, stuff like that. So remember that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we usually review the lessons we learned the day before. So yesterday we did Nearpod lesson 4.3 and 4.4. So if you did not finish those yet, please make sure to complete those first, right? And if you don't remember if you did them or not, on your main page of Schoology, you should see only one of these. Go ahead and click on your Medical Chemistry Unit 4, the periodic table progress tracker, right? In order to double check which ones you completed. And remember, 4.3 and 4.4 are the ones that you should have done and have notes for from yesterday. If there is a Schoology glitch where these won't open, you probably made a copy. So instead, you're probably going to go onto your Drive. So drive.google.com. And then you're going to search My Medical Chemistry Progress Tracker. Right? So something like this should pop up with your name on it. And then you can figure out whether you finished those or not. Right? So after you completed and double checked your Nearpod lesson 4.3 and 4.4, if you didn't finish one of them, you can find them in Monday class materials and then just click on homework from yesterday, right? And whichever one you didn't finish, go ahead and finish those two first. After you finish those two, you're going to go back on the main page of Schoology. And the main thing we did today was some practice problems and review through our launch. So if you go into today's folder, January 12th, Tuesday class materials, January 12th, Zoom-class links, where it says link to launch. Right, go ahead and complete this Google form. This is just to double check that you understand the lessons, Nearpod lesson 4.3 and 4.4 from yesterday. Right, once you submit the launch, you're going to see something like this, right? So once you submit the launch, go ahead and click on View Score, and that will let you know what score you got. So I got a 1 out of 8, which is not that great. And that's okay, because for every question that you get wrong, it's going to mark it in red and let you know that this question that I picked was incorrect. And below that, there's something that says feedback with a link, and it says click here for explanation. So if I click there, it's going to take a while to load, but here we go. So here's the same question again with the same image. And there's 3 things to remember, right? So this is something that you should have gotten from your notes. And it says elements with less than 4 valence electrons lose all of their valence electrons. So the element will lose 2 valence electrons because it has 2 valence electrons, right? So for every question you get wrong, know that there's a feedback with an image on how to solve and the notes in red that you definitely should have already. Right? So for every one that you get wrong, please check that and add that to your notes. Right? So once you've completed the launch and checked the feedback, you are pretty much done for the day. And then a reminder to update your Medical Chemistry Unit 4, the periodic table progress tracker, either on the main page of Schoology or on the copy that you made on your Google Drive, right? If Schoology was glitching.